Need directional sound, but not ready to commit to a purchase? Welcome to Directional Audio's rental service, the easiest, most flexible way to deliver crystal clear, targeted audio for your next event or installation. When you buy a speaker, you're committed to that model for every job. But when you rent, you can choose the right speaker for every space. 1 month it's a Dome speaker for a trade show, the next it's an ultrasonic model for a retail pop-up. Every speaker in our range is tailored to specific environments, and renting means you always get the best tool for the job. Whether you're running a short-term exhibition, a retail activation, or a live event, renting directional speakers gives you all the benefits of our cutting-edge tech without the upfront cost or commitment. Here's why more clients are choosing to rent. Fast turnaround, we can ship directly to your venue. Full setup guidance and support. Try before you buy, test what works for you. Scalable, from a single speaker to full room coverage. No storage or maintenance hassle. Our higher range includes industry-leading directional speakers, like Audio Spotlight from Holosonics, ideal for exhibitions and retail. Dakota Audio's MA4 18-inch bar speakers, great for signage and kiosks. Dome speakers for intimate sound bubbles in open plan spaces. And sound showers, perfect for sound control in trade shows. From short-term installations to high-profile exhibitions, our rental speakers have been used by brands across the UK and Europe to create unforgettable audio experiences without disrupting the space around them. And getting started is easy. Choose the speakers that fit your needs. We ship them to your office or venue with setup tips included. Use them for your event or install, then send them back. No long-term commitment, no strings attached. So, if you need targeted sound just for the time you need it, rent it. It's flexible, scalable, and the smartest way to experience directional audio. Get in touch today for a quote or explore the full range at directionalaudio.co.uk.